In this video, I am going to show you on how you can change the priority of a ticket in Zendesk. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to zendesk.com and log in to your Zendesk account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, select one of the tickets that you have right here, or you can add a new one by clicking right here on this plus icon and clicking on ticket. Now, let's have this ticket for example. As you can see, there are numerous options that you can choose from on the left panel. One of those is the priority. So, by simply clicking on one of these options, you can now change the priority of new tickets or even existing tickets. For example, let's have this existing ticket. Its priority is currently on normal. So by clicking here, a drop-down menu will appear and then I can change it to urgent. Once done, I should just click on submit as open. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use an affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.